Today, I'm going to teach you how to stop auto-pausing activity in the Strava app. So I'm starting here by opening the Strava application on my phone. Once that loads up, I'm looking down at the bottom of the screen where I can see a few different tabs and options. From there, I'm clicking on record. That's the button I need to access the activity settings. As soon as I tap that, the record screen opens up and now I can see the main interface where I'd normally start tracking a workout or activity. Now right above the play button there's a horizontal line. It's pretty subtle, but it's there at the top of that section. What I'm going to do is drag that line upwards. When I do that, it reveals additional options that were hidden before, and once that panel slides up, I can see a settings option right there. So I'm going ahead and clicking on settings. This is where all the recording preferences are stored, and it's the part one need to adjust to stop the auto pausing feature. Once the settings menu opens, I'm looking through the list of options until I find auto pause. That's the setting that controls whether Strava automatically pauses your activity when you stop moving. So I'm tapping on auto pause to open it up. As soon as I do that, I can see two checkboxes on the screen. One is labeled Ride Auto Pause and the other one is labeled Run Auto Pause. Both of these are probably checked by default, which means Strava will pause your activity automatically during rides or runs when it detects that you've stopped. Now what I'm doing is unchecking both of those boxes. So I'm tapping on the checkbox next to Ride Auto Pause first, and then I'm doing the same thing for Run Auto Pause. Once both of those are unchecked, the auto pause feature is completely turned off. This means that from now on, when I'm recording an activity, Strava won't pause it automatically even if I stop moving. The timer will just keep running continuously unless I manually pause it myself. And that's it. I've successfully disabled the auto pause feature in the Strava app. So now whenever I record a ride or a run, the activity will stay active the entire time without any automatic pausing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.